Welcome back to the Google channel, and I'm going to show you on the map where we are today in Somerset West, and you can pause the map at any stage so as to see exactly where you are on the map and the various choices you've got of trails, looking down towards the car park of the nature reserve over there relative to Somerset West and Gordons Bay. Now looking back, coming up the hill to where we launched the drone. There's no easy way just to describe that view looking towards Gordons Bay. We really are privileged, flying out now towards the visitor center, looking at the footpaths and tracks down there. Shows you that the Helderberg Nature Reserve is in full flower and green at the moment. The proteas are flowering. It's looking amazing. Entry and an all-day permit is only about 30 Rand or $1.70 or so, less than $2 American. The parking is abundant. There's plenty of place to have a picnic. The walks, you can get guided tours, nighttime tours as well with a tour guide. If you're over 60 years old, entry is only 20 Rand, and vehicles, I'm told, is only 20 Rand per vehicle. The footpaths are easy to navigate and well maintained at the moment. Obviously it takes a lot of upkeep in the winter when there's rain and washaways, but look, at the moment it's looking very good. That's the Hottentots Holland mountain range, always a pleasure and a beauty to look at. If you wish to go up to the top of the mountain and have a look over the whole area, it's nice to go up the waterfall, up the ravine there. It is worth the walk, but you will need to be pretty fit to get up there safely. Often in the winter, these mountains are tipped in snow. And I'll sweep across the bay again just to give you a context of where we are in False Bay, now looking at Table Mountain. The Helderberg Nature Reserve, located on the Helderberg mountain range in Somerset West, Western Cape, South Africa, near Cape Town Airport, is 398 hectares, so plenty of space to roam around and get lost if you wish. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us, and please join us again when next week we go up Solari's Pass and watch the paragliders.